Hi everyone, this is day 8 of the Star Wars Advent Calendar 2021 opening. And today we have the Tusken Raider minifig. I think this is the same one that came in the Trouble on Tatooine set. The $20, is it 20 or $25 set? So it's not exactly a rare figure, but it is also a highly masterable sort of character, because Tusken is a tribe and they all wear a similar sort of headband, and of course the head mode is extremely well made, and I think it's highly collectible, especially once these sets retire. So yeah, I'm very happy to get an extra one of these. There's no weapon or anything, which is a little bit disappointing. I think at some point we will get one of these accessories, so that might give it a little bit more context. But yeah, so this is day 8 and we have one of those Tusken Raider minifigs. So thank you for watching.